Even if it stops like this, but we know more are even coming. I will not hesitate to let you know the main purpose of our coming. Let's not be like the man that went to marry his wife.
Eating and
forgot the reason. Yes, sir. We heard what happened, sir. I know if I stand up, you ask me to sit down.
It's a family.
Yes, sir. So we came to pay homage, to pay solidarity, and also our condolences for what has transpired. We know it's a little, you are a general, but issues of the heart, they're not a too strong put. This is somebody that's your loved one, very beloved. As it touched you, it also touched us. I know if everybody on the platform had the opportunity of coming to say, we are sorry, they would have all done it. So we are representing everybody, not just the EXCO. We are representing all the sects. We're coming to say officially that we are sorry for this unfortunate incidents. We always say God knows the best.
That's true.
We always say that because He gives life. So we are really sorry. Please accept our condolences, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
I was not oblivious of the fact that people were coming. I was also not oblivious of the fact that there was the purpose for which we were coming. So I was given a kind of information. I want to appreciate you for doing that. Like Matthew said, we cannot challenge God. We cannot ask God some pertinent questions that we have asked fellow humans. We are not celebrating a loss, but I, as a person, is happy within me that we did all what was humanly possible to keep my life. But God knows best. Military hospital, EBT, that's the highest. You can go here. So it wasn't the issue of there was no money to take me to these hospitals. It's just like he's played his part and he's going to rest. The burial is coming up on the 16, 17, 18 of November. So I'll get all the members who are bound to move at military base hospital.